Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, very exciting, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the Aztec clay mask. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Cue the intro. You like the intro. I know you like it. It's very simple, but effective. Okay guys, so as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing the Aztec clay mask. So I have the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Very popular. And because we like to be cost effective around these parts, we got apple cider vinegar, but we got the Walmart brand. Vinegar is vinegar. So we're about to mix this up. So, because I'm going to be doing my face and my hair, because waste not, want not, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be using, got a bowl and a spoon. I didn't have a wooden spoon, but from what I have heard, a plastic spoon is just as effective at not affecting the mixture. So me and my sisters did this in Pittsburgh when we visited Pittsburgh together, and when we went, we used way too much. So I'm going to try to not use as much, and this is quite a big bowl, if you can see. So that's about how much clay I'm using. I just filled this spoon up once, or you just can fill the spoon up once. I just dumped it in there, but this is about 1 spoonful. And everybody knows that this apple cider vinegar stuff smells to high heaven. So I'm just gonna mix that, get it all thick. Somebody could be saying, Kenan, why didn't you use a smaller bowl? Because I'm a big guy, so I need a big bowl. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that cookie crumbles. And I think I'm gonna add some more clay. Why not? Why not? We ain't got nowhere to go. So, how's everybody's quarantine going? As you can see, mine is going great. Been putting out videos. Y'all see them videos. I know y'all see them. Yeah. More to come. I've been getting like real dedicated. Okay? I think real dedicated. So you click subscribe. You right there. Yeah, I did one of them. If I need more, I could just make more. So I'm going to just go with what I have in here. So let's just do a little bit more. Let's just do a little bit more. Just a little bit more. And now I have significantly too much because my head is not that big. Put a towel on your shirt, or you'll ruin your favorite shirt. This shirt is, I got it from my mother, and it says, I found this humorous. Isn't that funny? And it is a picture of a humorous on the shirt. I'll show you guys in a second. If you didn't know, I am a nursing major, so I thought it was hilarious. But yeah, that's my shirt. It says, I found this humorous, and that's supposed to be a humoral bone. Big word. Okay. My neck disappeared. All right, I think I'm ready to apply. I don't have, this is the towel from my last video. Well, a couple of videos ago when I tried to dye my hair. So I'm going to just start putting it upon my head. You know what I probably should have done? Is sections. Probably would have helped me a little bit. But we're learning. You know what? We are learning. It was at that point he knew he messed up. Here we go. Aztec clay mask.
make me say why? Why'd you tell your lie? Lie to me. Don't you lie to me, yeah.
I'm trying to make sure I get it onto my scalp because I have terrible dandruff.
Tonight I just wanna feel your vibe. For life I just wanna paint a picture. Like Mona Lisa, paint a picture with your image. And all your features give me time, let's make it precious. You know I need you, I'ma love you to the end. Let's keep it peaceful, I don't wanna see you die today. Let's keep the argument outside. There's no way that I can let you get inside. You'll see, okay, I don't know why they lie. To me, I guess that's just the key to life. See, I guess this game is more like hide and seek. So now when people talking down, you speak, put out your chest and hold it proud. You're queen, and I'm still sitting here like why? Girl, tell me why. Let's testify, don't tell no lie. Still by your side, putting you to me for the ride. Let passion fly, passionate and passionate night. Passion some days, but in the nights it turn to fights. I serenade, I sing a song, talk to my babe. Love in a way, I seen them teardrops on the face. They fade away and leave a stain that break my heart. Now I'm afraid, can you save me, tell me why?
Why are we doing this? Because of the baby.
Without you by my side, tonight I just wanna feel your vibe. For life I just wanna paint a picture. Like Mona Lisa, paint a picture with your image. And all your features give me time, let's make it precious. You know I need you, I'ma love you to the end. Let's keep it peaceful. Why? Oh, why? Girl, just tell me why. I want you by my side to the end of my life. My girl, tell me why you testified and told your lie. You lied to me.
So here I'm just adding in the rest of the clay mask. I had to make some extra because I ran out. Because I underestimated how much I needed for my whole head. Because of course you need more for your head than you do for your face. So, yep, I'm just finishing up. I just wanted to let you guys know that this stuff actually feels very strange. It felt strange on my hands. It felt strange in my hair. I understand why people felt like scared to use it because it feels, I don't know, it made my hair feel so fragile, and I just didn't like it. I did not like how it felt until after I washed it out, but you guys will see that part. All right, enjoy. Okay, guys, I finished applying the mask. I got it all over both of my hands and all over my shirt. So like I said, don't choose a shirt that you're in love with because I don't know if you'll be having that shirt for much longer because I don't know how the washing machine is going to fare with this clay. We shall see. So as you guys can see, I got my 4 sections. I'm going to be really personal with you guys, so look at those pores. Look at that skin. It's great. I'm going to do my forehead because Lord knows that forehead is in trouble. It's in trouble. So I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes or so. 30 minutes is 30 minutes too long. Let's do 20 minutes and then I'll come back when I wash it off. Okay, so right here is FaceTiming my grandmother to get her reaction. And there you go. I look like a fool. And she agrees. My grandmother is newly natural, so she's just asking me like how I did it. And she said, I hope it washes out. And I asked her to wave to you guys, so she's about to say hello. So I'm going to go see what my roommate thinks. Hey!
What do I have to do?
What you doing?
You want to take a shower?
So I'm doing my hair with this clay. What do you think?
What in the world is going on? Does it work for your hair and your face?
Yeah. Alright, hey guys. Back. It's been about 20 minutes. So, I am just going to hop in the shower and I will show you guys the results after I wash it out. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys some of the benefits, the claims that the Aztec Healing Clay Mask has. It's supposed to promote shine, it's supposed to improve scalp care, and it's supposed to improve manageability and detoxify your scalp. So that's what I was going for in this video.
To me, I guess that's just the key to life. See, I guess this game is more like hide and seek. So now when people talking down, you speak, put out your chest and hold it proud. You're queen, and I'm still sitting here. Putting you to me for the ride. That passion fly, passionate and passionate night. Passion some days, but in the nights it turn to fights. I serenade, I sing a song, talk to my babe. Love in a way, I seen them teardrops on the face. They fade away and leave a stain that break my heart. Now I'm afraid, cause can you save me, tell me why? Would I let you be the type to die without you by my side? Tonight I just wanna feel vibe for life. I just wanna paint a picture like Mona Lisa, paint a picture with your image and all your features. Give me time, let's make it precious. You know I need you, I'ma love you to the end. Let's keep it peaceful. Why? Girl, just tell me why.
Okay, so as you guys saw, I rinsed it out, and from what I can tell, it looks pretty good. Of course, I have to go back and get all the, I didn't get everything, I guess. But I think it looks pretty good. And my hair feels very soft. It feels like it was just conditioned. And I love that. Love that. So, all right. So after you guys have seen this, let me know if you would want to try the clay mask or if you think it worked for me at all. I think it worked pretty well, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.